The word of the day is ambitious. Being ambitious is not about money, it's about proving that you can do it. And society loves to crush ambitious people because it makes them feel better about something. And nowadays, ambitious people called crazy until they succeed. And when they, everyone act like they are believing in them from day one. And there is a huge difference between being ambitious and being greedy. One builds something real, something valuable, and the other just steal and just take what they can get. So in which you are you building something real, valuable, or just taking what you can get?